Morning, everyone. It's 8:39 on this Wednesday morning, and this is your opening comment. It is video number 1876. Okay, Asia down, Europe higher. Asia is down primarily on the country garden and other default risks. Um, Nothing overwhelming price wise, but and in the UK they had inflation number that was dramatically lower. I think it was 6.8, down from almost 10%. So that's why those markets are up. As far as the futures, we've basically been hanging around the unchanged. When I came down, we were up 3 in the Dow and the Nasdaq, down 2 in the S&P. Then right before the housing starts number, we were minus 20 in the Dow, minus 10 in Nasdaq, minus 4 in the S&P. Right now, after going down 40 and then coming back up 10, the Dow is down about 20, Nasdaq is down about 13, and S&P is pretty much unchanged. So really not a lot of action on this. We also had housing starts. Housing starts and permits both came in right about as expected. Housing starts were 1.45 million 450,000. Estimate came in at 1,452,000. So right there. Permits 1,460,000 expected. 1,442,000 was the number. We also have FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock, so that somewhat tends to be market moving. Mortgage apps were down 0.8%, with refis down 2%. Okay, earnings target, miss on revenue, beat on earnings. Um, Quite an improvement, and the stock is up. If you recall, the last two earnings periods, the problem with inventories was at issue with Target. So even though revenue's down, um, and earnings up, gives us a move to about 134.80, and that's up about $7. TJ Maxx beat top and bottom line, closed 85.77. Range has been 85.86 to 89.50. Last is 88.70. That's up 2.93, and that is 3.3%. A new issue yesterday, SPGC, that is Saks Parenti Golf. This deal came at $4, traded up to $30, and is currently 18 down about 11. So 600% move up and about a 38% move down today. No special news or anything, no corporate developments, just got way ahead of itself. We also have industrial production and capacity utilization at 9:15, and chart on the screen is the oil. As you can see, it got right back up into that number that we were looking at for the 100-week moving average. Turned down. We were slightly higher there, but $80, 75 to $80, still the magnet there. Um, Tower Semi down about 11%. It's at 30, down 378. And the deal there with Intel is not going to happen. So Intel is basically unchanged, and Tower is down about 11%. Also, Coherent, COHR, um, poor guidance. Came out and reduced guidance today, closed 47.10. The high here was, pardon me, the low here was 34.89, and it is climbing back. It's towards the high at 38, but that's still down 9 or 20%. Okay, last look at the futures. Down 16 in the Dow, down about 10 in the NASDAQ, and down about 3 in the S&P. I'll be back later, folks. Have a good one.